Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to what analysis in my last video, we mentioned me looking for the reversal, but the question was, this is the start of the up move or we should wait for one more drop? Okay, just want to give a quick update. Okay, as we can see that there was opportunity to look for buys a short term. This is what we get, and we have another one. Okay, from now, if we get any buy opportunity, we can look for trade. That's mean we can look for buy. If it is moving, we keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade because this is still we can put these two in relative to each other for one move up. Okay, then from there we see if the sharp is good, that means the reversal. If not, we just start to protect our trade because we were what we were looking for. We were looking for the reversal with a sharp move, but what we have here is that the way move is not really sharp as a corrective, but still we can look for trade setup for buy. We had one opportunity here, now we're looking at this, and even as we mentioned, there is a possibility this one can continue as a corrective move, but if we get any trade setup we can look for buy. Okay, in this case we start with higher time frame. We see what we have been looking for and how we can trade it. As we mentioned in our analysis, we have been looking for this. The question is whether we can put in relative to each other or not, and how deep this one can go. But any buy opportunity from now, if we get based on lower time frame, we trade it. Okay, and we see it's not moving, we start to manage or take out the trade because right now we're looking at this correction in relative to this. That's why we expect to get one move up, at least the price to take this stop. Okay, that's why now we want to see how we can trade within this range. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I explained right now, there was an opportunity here. Now we're looking at this. We want to see whether this one can give us another opportunity. If we get any trade setup, we take it. And if it is moving fast, it's good for us. Sharp. If it is not moving as a corrective, move or stop loss to break even, we just let it go. Because as I mentioned, even that we can expect the continuation as a corrective move, not really sharp. When I'm talking about the sharp, sometimes we refer to this kind of the move. Because we mentioned if we want to look for reversal, if we get any sharp move with a flag, a small correction for continuation, it can give us better confirmation rather than moving similar to what we have here, because still there is a possibility. That's the reason is, if I mentioned, if we get any buy setup, this is not moving, we start to manage because still we can expect one more drop before we get the next move. Okay, by the way, if we get any buy setup, we take it, we start to manage it, and right now we're looking at this. Okay, and what our target for the continuation, at least the price to tag this trend line. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share, and again I will mention maybe we get one more drop. If we get any trade which is not moving, we don't stay with the trade, and anyone is in the trade from here, move their stop loss to break even if they can, then let it run. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Thanks.